How to select and delete all of Google Chrome history. In this video session, I'll show you the settings for you to be able to delete all of Chrome history. On your Chrome browser, whether it's on a mobile device or desktop, simply locate the three dots, go to Settings. Press on Privacy and Security, press on Delete Browsing Data. Okay, just double check as to what history you want deleted. And if you want to delete everything, make sure you select All Time. Then press Delete Data. But that may not remove all history. That means log into your Google account, press on your profile icon, press on Manage your Google account. On the left-hand side, press on Data and Privacy. Here you want to press on My Activity. Next, you have a couple of options here. First, you can press on Delete, select All Time, and here just take a look at some history settings in My Activity. For example, Search History, which is usually tied to Google Chrome, correct? So we can uncheck that and perhaps just select Search, an image search perhaps. Press Next, confirm deletion. Also, while you're here, on the left-hand side, you'll have Other Activity. Let's press on that. Here you'll have a section for Google Chrome. Simply scroll down the page, or even search it. Chrome History. Let's press View History. And if you want to select all and delete everything from here, you have an option on the left-hand side. Press Delete All, confirm deletion, and now there is no more activity. Before I close up, let me also show you Google Takeout, that you can download your account data. Also, you can clear every data Google Chrome has with your Google account using this address. But do keep in mind that if you were to use this option, it will basically delete all Chrome data. That includes history, that includes payment methods, passwords, settings, and that. So these are the settings to clear all history activity from Google Chrome.